Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share very beautiful and stylish wooden heel boots for women and girls. So these are very gorgeous and beautiful shoes. All these designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. My dear friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and stylish shoes online, I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these shoes online. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. So my dear friends, now I will tell you the websites from where you can buy these designs online. So you can buy these designs from Amazon.com, Etsy.com and AliExpress.com.